me again, and today it's Pokemon Level 10. Yeah, it is. And to Pikachu Lovers 10 or Pokemon Lovers 10 and Animal Jam Lovers 10. Okay. And today I have an awesome glitch, but I don't know why. Go to my buddies, okay? And then it says Pokemon Lovers 10. And I told you I am Pokemon Lovers 10. It's a Pokemon Lovers 10 second. What? Yesterday I just, like on the first time I just unbuddied this user, and just kaboom, it went again. It just stayed here. Please tell me in the comments below how to get rid of this glitch and make the link how you got this glitch. Okay, bye. See you later.